I'm Konrad Zieliński. I'm PhD student at the University of Warsaw.
I'm Joanna Rączaszek-Leonardi. I'm a professor at the Faculty of Psychology, University of Warsaw, and we are representing Human Interactivity and Language Lab.
Today, we're gonna discuss with you our perspective on the consequences of larynx amputation. After the surgery, the air is redirected to the opening in the neck, and the person does not have vocal cords at their disposal.
Usually, such a problem is seen as an information transfer or signal transfer problem. When voice is compromised and a substitution voice has to be provided and provide a better signal. While from Human Interactivity Lab, we look at it from a broader perspective. We think it is not only a signal transmission problem, but the broader coordination problem. In our reformulation of the problem, we base on three theories that are increasingly popular within psychology. The first one is ecological psychology, which prioritized actions and not just understanding in the environment. Therefore, the whole signal transmission becomes actually activity with another person, which puts a dyad in the center of our study. The second is enactivism, which even more underscores the activity, the agency of two people creating a social situation. In this framework, the feeling of agency comes to the fore. And the third basin is extended cognition, which claims that humans with technological systems comprise distributed cognitive systems, and the structure of control is extremely interesting. And we would like to integrate all those three theories, but coming more from the practice of studying and designing such systems.
We see communication as coordination to integrate the notions of first-person feeling of control, mutual influence of interlocutors, and see them as continuous physical coordination. We have analyzed 5 concrete bionic systems. Digital voice copy is a text-to-speech system which allows for embedding one's own personality. However, we cannot adjust, for example, the intonation, expression, adjusting it to the interlocutor. Voice conversion, on the contrary, alters the speech signal. The control over linguistic content remains at the side of the user. Silent speech interfaces, other approach. The computer system is at the center of the interaction. It is the artificial intelligence which predicts words on the basis of signals emitted by the speaker. Bionic voices. There's a very interesting functional division of control. The human controls the modulation and produces the basic signals, for example by the breath from the stomach, while computer system is responsible for predicting the wave shape. Linear approaches is the most agentic direction. It gives a particular person the ability to control his or her modulation. Like now, I could make a voice higher or lower. The role for technology here is to provide interfaces and support the sound of the voice.
A completely different factors come to the fore than just the intelligibility of speech. Factors related to feelings of control, feelings of agency in the situation, feelings if the sense-making that you wanted to do with another person really has been achieved.
There is a name for empirical studies. We want to invite the designers and the users to integrate those perspectives in one framework which would encourage informed comparisons.
Theoretical umbrellas are important.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.